extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that way. Tryna control our emotions.
Alright, so when you first walk in the front door, to your immediate left is this little niche where you can put your bag and your luggage and stuff. On the other side of the door is the bathroom. It is not a really big bathroom, but it has everything you need. So there's a walk-in shower with a nice mural on there. It has a rainfall shower head, and it also has a detachable shower head. Lots and lots of room, lots and lots of space. Hey y'all. And so this is the vanity area with the mirror and stuff like that. I like that it has this mirror with the lighting on there. That's a nice touch. It also has complimentary soap, a nice deep sink with chrome fixtures. And then they have some toiletries that you can utilize as well. Underneath the vanity is a niche where you can store your toiletries, your makeup. It's also a towel holder, and they have a Kleenex holder. Behind the door is where the toilet is. And it has another little build out behind the toilet with some artwork and a dryer and your extra towels. So back in the main area, they have this little niche here that can be a mini bar. I used it for some decorations for my lingerie shoot. They have a pretty substantial size TV. I think this is like maybe a 40-inch TV, but I like the screen size and I like that it's elevated to eye level. This is more of a queen size bed. The mattress is very nice, and behind the bed features this wall mural as well as a fabric headboard. They have a built-in side table, and then they have this like faux marble slab on it where you can put electronics. I used it for candles. The room features this round mirror and this black accent wall. And then on the other side of the bed, they have this built-in bench / sitting area with another marble slab. And on either side of the bed are reading lights. There is another source of ambient lighting in the corner and a side table as well as a swivel chair sitting area behind this window. The windows are floor to ceiling, and it features sheers as well as blackout drapes on either side. They have this really long desk area spanning the room. And so you can put a lot of things on there. I stored some extra lingerie for the shoot, as well as some extra LED candles. There's also a coffee maker sitting on there. And my favorite part is this. So this is a little portal where you can plug in your electronics. So you can have your electronics on the side table or on the desk. So if you are a content creator, this is really good for editing. On this side of the table, I believe that these bars are for your luggage. Hi there, welcome to my Aura Style. My name is Tammy, and I use fashion, lifestyle, and travel to show you what it's like to be black plus and abroad. Hold on, let me kill that music. So right now I am in Cologne, Germany. I'm here with my friend Nadia, who is patiently waiting to do my makeup. And I'm getting ready to film a boudoir photo shoot. So the first step is to get the makeup done, get the face beat. So that's what we're doing now. So I'm giving you a little bit of behind the scenes. Oh, she got my inspo picture up and ready to go. And so I always use her as my inspo because, listen, the face be beat, okay? So anyway, my signature is soft glam, you know, just my skin, but better with, you know, some highlights and, of course, a pop of color on the lip. Today my nails are burgundy, and you know, so I want to do a deep burgundy. I like a lot of synergy and a lot of balance when it comes to my looks, elements that go together. I think that's the makings of a good look, including lingerie. And so that's what I'm going to do today as well, is just bring out this burgundy color more. And I feel like it's gonna look good. I was having some thoughts, negative thoughts about my body, because y'all, I've been over here in Germany eating, okay? And I put on a little weight, and you can see it in my thighs, you can see it in my stomach, you can see it in my breast, but you know what? I owe it to myself to love my body the way that it is. You know, even if I want to make some changes, tone up in some areas, maybe lose a little bit of weight, for aesthetic reasons and health reasons, I still owe it to myself to love my body the way that it is. And so that's what I'm doing. I know that it sounds cliche, but I think it's a cliche because a lot of women go through that process, just seeing things about their body that they don't like. So a boudoir shoot really helps you to embrace your body. And there are things that I can do on camera that shows my body in the best light that's comfortable for me. Poses that I can do and poses that I can shy away from that kind of show my body in the best light. And so I'm super excited today. We got over the negativity and we're just gonna do it. I mean, how can you not be in Europe and do something like this?
Control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night time get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. You'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe?
Hey y'all, so this is the finished product of the makeup. Mwah. We are going, oh, my camera's moving. We're going in a different lighting situation, just kind of more into the hotel room where I'm gonna be doing the shoot. I'm gonna have to raise this tripod up, but let me stand back. This is kind of like the first look that I'm going to be giving. This is just like a shapewear bodysuit. I'm going to have to raise my breast up a little bit. And I'm gonna give myself a wedgie, but yeah, that's gonna be the first look. Nadia is just looking at my face in a different lighting. Making sure it's giving what it's supposed to give.
I think that's all.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah, I absolutely love it. It's so pretty. It's giving. So yeah, I'm probably going to straighten up the room. I might take some B-roll shots of actually the room. I set the little ambiance, whatever, for the photo shoot. I'm excited now that the makeup is done, child. Put some Vaseline on these legs so that I'm nice and shiny. And yeah, so I will see y'all next time.
I'd rather be on that wave, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side.